In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor downtime on WordPress.com. Keeping your website up and running smoothly is crucial, especially when it comes to maintaining your audience's engagement and trust. Monitoring downtime ensures that you're promptly notified whenever your site goes offline, allowing you to take swift action to resolve any issues. Let's walk through the steps to set up downtime monitoring effectively. First, you need to head to the WordPress.com login page. It's a straightforward process. Simply open your browser, type in WordPress.com, and sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the WordPress admin area, which is where you'll be managing various aspects of your website. The next step involves accessing your website's dashboard. You'll be working from here to add some handy tools and features that will help track the uptime and downtime of your site. In the dashboard interface, locate the Plugins section and give it a click. From there, you're going to select Add New. This is your gateway to an array of plugins that can extend the functionality of your WordPress site. What we're particularly interested in is the Jetpack plugin, which includes a powerful downtime monitoring feature. So in the search box, type Jetpack and press Enter. Once the search results appear, find the Jetpack plugin in the list. If you haven't installed it already, you'll see an Install button. Click it and wait a moment while the installation process completes. If you've previously installed Jetpack, you might see an Activate button instead. In that case, click on Activate to get the plugin up and running. Jetpack integrates seamlessly into WordPress and adds a suite of features, including the online and offline status checker we're looking to set up. Upon activating Jetpack, head back to your main dashboard. You should notice that a Jetpack menu option now appears in your admin menu. Click on Jetpack and then select Settings. The Settings menu is where you configure various options related to Jetpack's features. Under Settings, look for the option called Downtime Monitoring. You'll want to make sure this setting is toggled on. By activating this, Jetpack will now monitor your site for downtime at regular intervals. It will send you an email notification if your site ever becomes inaccessible or goes down. This automated service is particularly useful for catching issues early and minimizing the impact on your website visitors. And there you have it. The downtime monitoring setup is complete. With these steps, you've enabled a crucial safety net for your WordPress website. Remember, regular monitoring is key to maintaining a healthy website, ensuring it's reaching users as it should be without unexpected interruptions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on managing and optimizing your WordPress site.